Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Poly V piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, my name is Graham, expert plumber with Urban Piping. And today's question is, what can I put in my Garburator? Well, that question all depends on what kind of Garburator you have. Do you have a 3/4 horsepower, or do you have something like this Pro 11 XL that is 1 horsepower? So a typical Garburator is 3/4 horsepower. You can put pretty much eggs, shells, a lot of other good things like vegetables, peels. You gotta avoid potato peels, and you've gotta avoid bananas. You can't put things like fish scales through it. But then you go up to this big guy right here, and this monster will take care of anything. They actually advertise that it can chew up shark scales and shark skin. So go to town on this guy, be a little careful on this guy, is your simple answer. And we recommend all InSinkErator products. They come with big warranties, and honestly, we never have to do service work on them because once they're installed, they're good pretty much for life. If you'd like a Garburator or like to know more, please contact an outfit like Urban Piping. That's what I recommend, but hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly V. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.